What's up everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. And today I have this Vivo X70 Pro Plus. This one is the highest spec one. This one is the 12 plus 512GB edition of Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Well, you can see that I have already unboxed this Vivo X70 Pro Plus a few days ago. I've been using this one for a few days now, but I couldn't upload this video sooner than today. Well, I don't want to talk a lot. Let's do the unboxing of this Vivo X70 Pro Plus, and actually this one came with a lot of gifts and I will share those after the unboxing. Yeah, this Vivo X70 Pro Plus came in a gift box and it was a gorgeous packaging. When I have started to unbox this Vivo X70 Pro Plus, I have found that even the material of the box is different, so premium. It feels premium in hand and the quality of the box is even better, it's different. The moment I have opened the box, Vivo X70 Pro Plus rear camera setup was there. Yeah, I have got this orange color variant and I think this one is the most gorgeous color among the three colors that's available. Okay, let's forget about the phone, let's check what else we have inside the box. This one comes with a very good quality hard shell protective case, but this one is more like a bumper case. It doesn't protect the sides of the smartphone. At the back of the protective case, you will see it's written Pro Plus, and yeah, it's written Vivo and Zeiss co-engineered. This one also comes with a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable. But inside the box of the cable, I have found these air tips. Why Vivo added this one inside a smartphone box? Yeah, there is a TWS Bluetooth earphone included inside this box because this one is a 12 plus 512GB variant. This one is the top spec variant, so Vivo provides these TWS earphones for free. The final thing in the box is a Vivo Flash Charge 66W charger. As usual, this one doesn't seem to be very heavy, and well, where is my smartphone? Wow, yeah, it's time to unwrap our Vivo X70 Pro Plus. In hand, it feels premium. Really, this material at the back, this one is different. This one isn't the same as those Oppo Find X2 Pro leather or something like that. This one is totally different. This one is premium. And this Vivo X70 Pro Plus is not even that heavy. Evenly distributed weight through the phone makes it very easy for one-hand use. You can see I've been using this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra as my daily drive for last few days. Yeah, I'm gonna get my SIM card out of that Galaxy S21 Ultra. I'm gonna use this Vivo X70 Pro Plus as my daily drive. Okay, give me a while to set up this smartphone and then I will come back. But in the meantime, let me show you that this Vivo X70 Pro Plus also comes with a SIM ejector tool. There is a manual and some other guides. But most interestingly, this one comes with a card to a premium club. Yeah, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you know when I got this one, it was a surprise for me. Vivo arranged a big surprise for me and they sent me this Vivo X70 Pro Plus in style. They have also sent me a lot of gifts, some toys, some dolls. But the things that I would like to share with you is this Vivo wireless charger, electric toothbrush, power bank, and a Bluetooth wireless headphone. I'm not gonna do the unboxing of those things, but I'm really in love with this toy. Anyway, I have already done two camera comparison videos of Vivo X70 Pro Plus with Vivo X70 Pro Plus. One is with this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and another one with this Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you want, please subscribe to this channel. I always try to provide my subscribers and viewers with true content.